Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, your go-to source for immersive travel experiences. We're all about unearthing hidden gems, and today we're taking you on a cultural and historical journey through New York. Expect a whirlwind tour of iconic landmarks, a taste of diverse cuisine, a glimpse into local traditions, and of course, tips to enhance your own adventure. So, buckle up, as we embark on an exciting journey to explore the city that never sleeps. New York's history is a rich tapestry woven with diverse cultures and traditions. This city, often referred to as the melting pot of the world, has a story that begins long before the first skyscrapers kissed its skyline. Originally inhabited by the Lenape people, the area now known as New York was first explored by Europeans in the early 16th century. The Dutch were the first to establish a lasting settlement, naming it New Amsterdam in the early 17th century. However, the British soon took control, and the city was renamed New York, after the Duke of York. As the centuries rolled on, New York evolved into a global power city, renowned for its influence in the realms of commerce, finance, media, art, fashion, research, technology, education, and entertainment. Key historical landmarks serve as testament to this rich and diverse history. Ellis Island, for instance, is a symbol of America's immigrant heritage. From 1892 to 1954, it served as the nation's busiest immigrant inspection station, welcoming millions of newcomers to the United States. Today, the Ellis Island Immigration Museum tells these stories of hope, courage, and pursuit of the American dream. Another notable site is the Tenement Museum, located on Manhattan's Lower East Side. Here, visitors can explore restored apartments and learn about the immigrant families who lived there, thus gaining a first-hand understanding of the city's multicultural fabric. New York's customs and traditions are as diverse as its population. One of the most famous is the annual New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square, a tradition that began in 1907 and continues to draw crowds from around the world. From its Native American roots to its status as a global city, New York's history is truly fascinating. Its landmarks serve as reminders of the city's past, while its traditions and customs reflect the diversity of its residents. Indeed, the city's vibrant history and diverse population make it a fascinating place to explore. New York's skyline is a testament to the city's architectural prowess and creative spirit. Take the Empire State Building, for instance, an Art Deco masterpiece that was once the world's tallest building for nearly 40 years. It's a symbol of the ambition that pulses through the city's veins. Or consider the Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and freedom gifted by France. She has welcomed millions of immigrants to America's shores. And then there's Times Square, the crossroads of the world. A dazzling spectacle of lights and billboards. It's a place where art, commerce, and technology intersect in the most vibrant way. I remember the first time I stood beneath those towering screens. It felt like stepping into the heart of a living, breathing organism. These iconic landmarks are not just symbols of New York, but also of America's enduring spirit. New York's culinary scene is as diverse as its population. Here you'll find everything from classic American comfort food to vibrant international cuisine. Whether you're craving a slice of authentic New York-style pizza or a sophisticated sushi platter, New York has you covered. The city is brimming with eateries to suit every budget and palate. From Michelin-starred restaurants to budget-friendly food trucks, the choices are endless. With its myriad of dining options, New York is truly a food lover's paradise. So, what makes New York a must-visit destination? Well, let's recap. The city's rich history and vibrant culture are etched into every street corner. From historical landmarks to cultural attractions, New York is a living, breathing history book. Then there are the iconic landmarks. The Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty, Times Square, each one a testament to the city's grandeur and ambition. These landmarks aren't just a feast for the eyes, they're also packed with interesting stories and personal experiences that make them worth a visit. And let's not forget the diverse food scene. With a melting pot of traditional and international cuisines, New York is a gastronomic paradise. There's something for every palate and every budget. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a curious traveler, New York offers an unforgettable experience. So, when are you planning your visit to this magnificent city?